Are Shadeports waterproof? Let's jump into this quick explainer and find out exactly what Gauteng homeowners need. It's the top question we ask right after getting soaked by a massive summer storm, right? The short answer? No way! In a proper Highveld downpour, your car is getting totally wet. They use a breathable mesh called HDPE. Letting water drip through is actually a feature, not a flaw. Instead of blocking rain, it brilliantly slashes your vehicle's UV exposure by 70 to 90%. They're fantastic sun and hail shields, keeping everything underneath way cooler and safer from damage. But what if staying totally dry is non-negotiable? Well, then you'll need laminated, waterproof fabrics. Going waterproof changes the game completely. It demands strict pitch angles, real drainage, and heavy-duty steel frames. Because without a steep pitch, water pools. That massive weight strains the structure and destroys the paving below. Plus, there's a huge heat trade-off. Waterproof fabric traps the air, making it sweltering underneath. Honestly, to skip those drainage headaches entirely, a solid steel-roofed carport is just a phenomenal alternative. Think about it. Johannesburg gets pounded by roughly 750 millimeters of heavy rain every year. Steel gives you full protection, zero tensioning issues, easily beating fabrics during those brutal seasonal storms. Standard mesh maximizes airflow, while waterproof fabrics and steel roofs deliver that ultimate heavy-duty rain defense. Just match the material to your goal. Standard for basic parking, waterproof for patios, and steel for extremes. And remember, converting any existing frame to waterproof requires custom fabrication to handle the new structural loads safely. So, will your car survive the next 700 millimeters of storms, or is it time to upgrade?